Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Windom Vlogs. Pinia vlogs bang ke umrangso par ke lapu panimur redaksi vlogs do po subsuta. Lapen jong senang litum nili channel subscribe ilang putih non subscribe biar noy. Lapen like gitu lah. Non ke dam lo. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Windom Vlogs. Pinia vlogs bangke nalo panimur barke umrangso si nang dingo jadi video lah pacun orang langoy barke jong senang ditum di channel subscribe ilang pada non subscribe ikde no la pen like tapi to no ke first ke panimur se lepo panimur dete barke lapu bang chot pote umrangso lo di Mahaso district umrangso to langang ichuta fursi eng lo ke bang mat fursi eng lo to what haino pick marli ke ekdom tharun mat hayo ke mera ta lemar lo aduk ong pik kumarli aduk ong pik tu warang kai no pen aduk ki ong pen warang no pik kumarli panimur leta ponon pergi lapu dam cet lete panimur sip mondir longpo oke jar dompon le sip baba pha la piloto Sivale Panimur di Mahasau district lapu ke umrangsu pergi lapu Panimur lapan ke di sana di Mahasau district lo sihil puda pupu Hali ke hello guys ini pi kamat kamera tak glamour lo jo
found you when your heart was broke I filled your cup until it overflowed took it so far to keep you close I was afraid to leave you on your own I said I'd catch you if you fall and if they laugh then fuck 'em all you off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you can take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel, sitting up there, feeling so high, but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up there, name in the sky. Does it ever get lonely, thinking you could live without me, thinking you could live without me. Baby, I'm the one who put you up there. Just running from the demons in your mind. Then I took yours and made them mine. I didn't notice cause my love was blind. Said I'd catch you if you fall, and if they laugh then fuck 'em all. And then I got you off your knees, put you
Panimur kinang lelo. Ngin lo yo. Pag laho po para kay kasalo. Sen. Limbak lang ko lapu.